Open it.
Oh,
It's Kyle. What's up?
Open it.
Alright. Well, that was very low. Alright. No, but really, heel flips, you wanna, like, it's really fun. First, you have to know how to ollie. I mean, if you can't ollie, then I don't know why you're skating. No offense to newbies. But yeah, you wanna ollie. When you pop, you're gonna see this, like, crease right here, the crevice, sinkhole, whatever you wanna call it. Skaters call different things because they're fucking weirdos. That's skaters. Anyways, you want to just go pop. Once it's up, it's coming up. You're gonna be like, damn, and then you want to flip it. Maybe not drop the board like that, because that would not be a heel flip. Once you flip right there, it'll send in a heel flip motion. You can like take a picture when you're above it, just like, damn. And then you can just, good enough, you can catch it, land on it. Here's a heel flip. Go! But you know, you gotta be careful because if you jump too high and kick your heel down, then your board's gonna go below you and you're gonna fall. Why can't I catch a heel flip? This is bullshit.